Whatever your reason is for running, you'll experience many physical, mental, and emotional benefits of the sport. It can also make you sleep better, and some studies suggest it can improve your memory. Running can boost your heart, bone, and muscle strength, as well as improving your stamina and even, possibly, boost your sex life. Running certainly has more benefits than drawbacks, and if you embark on the journey of becoming a runner, you won't regret it. On the contrary, it also helps you love yourself and your body, brings down your levels of stress-induced compounds, and helps you create and stick to goals. Not everyone has the extra cash to join a gym. Those monthly membership fees can really be a drain on your finances. Luckily, all you need for running is a pair of trusty sneakers and the open road. It's one of the most inexpensive forms of exercise around. Once you started running, you will see and feel the benefits of it very soon. It is easy for runners to lose weight fast, as detailed below, but on top of that, running can also help you maintain weight loss easier, unlike just going on a diet. For example, running just 10 to 30 minutes each day at a moderate pace is amazing for your body, brain, and soul. So, in this video we'll show you some of the 14 surprising reasons to start running and why is one of the healthy and fitness activities in our life. Take a moment to click the subscribe button, and click the bell icon, so you'll never miss out on any video from us again. Here are some great 14 surprising reasons to start running. 1. You can lose weight. Many people start running to lose some extra pounds. As one of the most vigorous exercises out there, running is an extremely efficient way to burn calories and lose weight. If you're already at a healthy weight, running can help you maintain it. Running increases your afterburn, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means that the number of calories you burn after a workout is increased when you include running in your fitness routine. 2. Physical health. It has been shown that running helps just about every aspect of your health. From cardiovascular to bone density, if you want to live longer, running is one way to help achieve that goal. 3. Mental health. The runner's high is not a myth. It's well documented that while running, the brain releases chemicals called endorphins, which can improve mood, outlook, and overall happiness. Whether a runner experiences the high during or after a run, the effects can last for hours or days. Runners report that they sometimes run just to feel that high, and if they stop running for an extended period, they miss it. 4. Stress relief. Another mental health benefit that running offers is pure and simple stress relief. You probably experience various degrees of stress in your life. Some level of stress is good for you because it keeps you focused and moving forward. But too high of a stress level can have serious health implications. The good news is that running is one of the best outlets for stress relief. The simple act of going for a regular run can put everything into perspective and help you live a low-stress life. 5. Boost memory. Exercise has been shown to help keep the mind sharp. Hitting the track might reduce dementia symptoms and protect the brain against Alzheimer's. Getting your legs going can help clear your head and bring renewed focus. 6. Strengthen bones and joints. While a mix of cardiovascular exercise and resistance training is ideal for building strong joints and bones, running on its own does provide the impact needed for stronger bone and joint health. 7. Regulate your bowel movements. Dealing with constipation? Running can help. By raising your heart rate and blood flow with running, you'll simultaneously contract your intestinal muscles without even realizing it. 8. Run to live longer. If you plan to live to the ripe old age of triple digits, running just might be your secret. In fact, Stanford University studies show that those who remain active longer actually far outlive sedentary individuals. 9. Take your furry friends for a run. Dogs are man's best friend for a reason, and they can be man's best workout buddy too. Grab a leash and give your pet a new kind of threat, or just hang around with your dog doing some exercise. 10. A distraction from everyday life. Over the years, running has become the escape from the stresses and worries of everyday life. It presents us with unique challenges, making way for pleasurable experiences and valuable insights into our own body. When we are out on a run, gliding through the streets and fields of our hometown, our mind is at ease. In our modern day and age, it has become easy to feel trapped inside a constant rush of news, tasks, and obstacles. More than ever, it's important that we find space to take a step back. Running provides valuable time to think and reflect. 11. Goals solely for yourself. What's truly special about athletic goals is that they exist just for ourselves. There are no consequences upon failure. No one is waiting at the finish line. To the majority of people, running a marathon in 3:30 hours is no different from finishing after 3 hours. It's an intrinsic motivation that keeps pushing us forward, a desire to prove endurance, strength, and willpower to ourselves. No matter how fast we run, whether we're satisfied with our fitness or not is only determined by whether we manage to meet our goals. 12. Running will improve your cardio health. Running is a highly aerobic activity that utilizes both fatty acids and carbohydrates for energy. The typical runner tends to have a slow resting pulse rate and high maximal oxygen consumption. Echocardiographic studies show that distance runners' hearts are more efficient than those of sedentary people, pumping a larger volume per beat. Running will change your body, in a good way, and especially your heart, and will make you more efficient with your energy expenditure overall. Your heart will become more resilient and you will be less prone to illnesses. 13. Running fights off the common cold. People who performed aerobic activity at least 5 days a week suffered from upper respiratory tract infections 43% less often than those who got in less aerobic activity. Plus, when runners did catch colds, their symptoms were much less. If you're starting to feel sick, an easy 10 to 30 minute run can stimulate the immune system to help fight off a cold before it has a chance to take hold. 14. Running can help score you vitamin D. The human body gets most of its vitamin D from sun exposure, but since people spend all of their time indoors, well, you know how it goes. That explains why 41.6% of Americans are deficient in the vitamin, according to research published in Nutrition Research. Taking your run outside can help boost your levels to ward off depression, prevent type 2 diabetes, and strengthen your bones. In conclusion, running is easy to learn. You don't have to possess any special skills to do it at any age, day, time, and the most important, it's healthy for your body. Happy running! We're done for now. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And remember, if you'd like to try out some easy weight loss supplement or weight loss plans that help thousands of people already, please see the links in the description below. It's a unique link to a short video that explains the easy way to lose weight in detail. But I hope you won't just take my word for it. I hope you'll click the link below and check it out for yourself. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more videos. Don't forget to share with friends. See you in the next video.